Hi there, welcome to another tutorial, Yoga with Molly. It's such a blessing to be able to share my practice with you. So this morning's, or whenever you do this session, this little 15-minute tutorial is going to be about the spine. So the spinal column goes from the base of the spine all the way up to the crown of the head. Not to the crown of the head, to the base of the neck. Good. So sitting up straight, you can always sit up on a pillow. You can just close the eyes for a moment. As we're going to draw our awareness into the body and into the spine specifically. So as you sit cross-legged, comfortable, hands resting on the legs, taking your awareness to your spine. And as you breathe in, you can slowly draw your attention up the spine. So to the base of the neck. And then as you exhale, keep the spine nice and straight. And then just relax the shoulders and the hips and the legs. So the spinal awareness, breathing in, drawing your attention up the spine, and you'll feel that the spine stacks one vertebra on top of the other. And then the exhale, we keep that integrity, that stability in the spine, we just relax the body. We're going to stay here for about 5 more breaths. Simply becoming familiar with having your awareness on the spine. Feeling that lengthening, that drawing up sensation. So you'll also feel the sitting bones ground. The more you draw up with the spine, the more you ground with the sitting bones, flexing the feet a little bit. Taking one more deep breath in, keeping the eyes gently closed. All your awareness on the spine. And then as you exhale, relax. You can drop the chin, you can open the eyes and lift the gaze. So we're going to move the spine in all 6 directions. This is a practice that we bring into yoga with most of the postures. So what you can do is you can take the left hand to the floor, fingertips or palm, and then reach the right hand out to the side. So first finding that opening in the chest, take a breath in. And then as we exhale, we bend a little into that elbow. Remember, you can be on the fingertips, the left elbow, and then take the right hand up into the ceiling. Reach here, breathe, and then as you exhale, go a little bit deeper, feeling that side bend, feeling that stretch on the right side. So keeping the right sitting bone on the floor, stretch a little bit further. Then as we inhale, we come up. Right fingers down, either fingertips or palm, left hand out, stretch, open the collarbones. Then as we exhale, we take that arm straight up. So first, reaching up, relax your shoulders, relax your neck, and then a little bit of a bend in that right elbow. You're on the fingertips, on the palm. We take the left hand up and over. And feel what the difference is when you move the wrists here. So if you turn the palm up, you might open the chest a little bit. If you turn it down, feeling different stretch. One more breath, feeling the side stretch. This is our side bends. Come up, and we just move from side to side now. So left hand down, right hand up and over. Inhale up, changing sides. Left hand up and over, stretch to the right. Changing sides in your own pace. So just feeling out what it feels like. Side bend. Take your awareness to your spine. Feel how the right side of the spine shortens, left side lengthens. Noticing all the vertebrae and the spaces in between. The muscles. tendons, fluid. Feeling the spine from the base of the spine up, middle back, upper back to the base of the neck. Let's do one more to each side. Side bends. And then you can slowly come up and just relax. Good, and we're going to change the cross of the legs. Take a moment and again lengthen the spine. Sit up straight. Breathe in and then exhale, relax your shoulders. Good. And then we're going to twist. So twisting is our two other sides, directions that we move the body in. So let's first take it to the right side. So take the left hand, take the right hand behind you, and then just keep the left hand onto that knee, and then push into that knee, and then keep pushing into the back, left fingers or hand. It's almost like you want to lift yourself up here. Keep twisting. Looking back over that right shoulder. Keep the collarbones wide. Deep breath in. Exhale. And then relax. So relax the arms first. Release the body. And then take it to the other side. So the left hand behind you. Right hand onto that knee. Press into the knee. So push it out to this side. Press into the back left hand. And then almost like you want to lift yourself up, we twist a little bit over to the left. So feeling the twist all the way up the spine. We're going to go into a little bit of a deeper twist just after this one. Just feeling how the twist is happening all up the spine. And then exhale, relax. Good. Let's take it to the other side again. So the right hand behind you. And now cross the left hand over to the right leg. Take a breath in. Now you can use that hand a little bit for more support and also to deepen the twist. So as we exhale, we soften the belly, we soften the chest, and then the shoulders twist. So it's not just the one part of the body. It's almost like you're wringing out the spine a little bit. And then we change sides. So simply just take the left hand behind you, right hand over to the left leg. And I'll just show again. So the fingertips for me is quite nice. Allows me to still have that opening in the shoulders, the collarbones. And then exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Let's take it once more to the right side. Exhale, breathing out of the mouth, making a sound, and then twisting to the left. The breath in lengthens the spine, and the exhale takes you into it. Good. And then slowly finding your center again. Take a breath. Exhale. Relax. And then we can come onto all fours. So those are 4 directions that you can move the spine. So the other 2 directions is moving it up and down. So flexing, extending. So let's find all fours, hands underneath the shoulders, perhaps a little bit wider, knees underneath the hips. So just feeling stable here. And then we drop the spine down. So feeling how the tailbone goes up, the shoulders open, keep pushing into the hands. And then exhale to round. So pull the belly in, tuck the tailbone, drop the head. And then reverse that. Belly down. Exhale, rounding the spine, belly in and up. And then do 2 more of these movements. So keeping the spine mobile. And if you do this movement every day, we call it cat-cow. So like an angry cat, we round the spine. Let's go into our cow, arching, looking forward, and then relax. And then you can push back into your child's pose. So the child's pose, balasana, what we call in Sanskrit, you can have the knees wider, just a little bit more forgiving on the hips, feet together. And then you can start out up here if this is your first balasana, or you can go onto your elbows. You can relax here, or you can have the hands down, elbows out to the side. Relaxing here. And then the final variation that I'll just guide you into is you can have the head to the floor and the arms forward. And this is a little bit of a deeper stretch here, releasing the shoulders. So now taking your awareness to your spine, keep the eyes closed and feel the back of the spine. Breathe into the lower back, the middle back, and the upper back, shoulders, neck. Exhale, relax. Taking one more deep breath in. Exhale, relax. And then you can slowly push up. So we're going to do the reverse 6 directions of the spine again. Come onto all fours. Let's do cat-cow. Hands underneath the shoulders. So let's just do 2 rounds. Rounding or arching the spine. Belly goes down. And then rounding. Let's add our breath, breathing in. Drop the belly down. Look forward. And then exhale. Rounding. Come into a neutral spine, so straight back. And then take the bum to the floor and cross the legs. Twisting to the right. Left hand over to the right knee. Right hand behind you. Exhale. Inhale to center. Take it to the left. Left hand behind you. Right hand onto the left leg. Exhale. Inhale through the center. Once more to the right side. Inhale through the center to the left. We twist. And then exhale. Feel how the exhale takes you deeper into it. And slowly finding center again. Both hands onto the knees. Deep breath in, lengthen the spine. It's almost like there's a string top of the head pulling you up. Then exhale, relax your shoulders, relax the hips. Hands next to you. Keep the left hand down. Take the right hand up, stretch. And then exhale, take it over for your side bend. Inhale up to the floor, left hand up. Exhale over. And we change once more to each side. Inhale up, right hand down, left hand up and over. And then come up. And then you can slowly bring your hands into the heart. Close the eyes. And then just feel the difference in the body, in the spine. And then rub the palms together quite fast so you can create some heat in the palms. And then cover the eyes. Open the eyes wide. And then slowly release the hands down. So try it out. Enjoy. And remember, you can bring this into any posture, those 6 directions, side bend, twisting, and the spine forward and back. So up and down in your cat-cow. So I hope you can add some yoga to your day. And let me know if you have any questions or you would like to connect. Have a beautiful day.